Today, I'm going to share with you leadership lessons from the Levi CEO, Chip Bergh, the former Procter & Gamble President for Grooming Business Unit. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. When I was a young brand manager in Procter & Gamble, our Asia Pacific president came to visit us in Jakarta office. There was a recent terrorist bomb attack in Jakarta at the time. While the other senior membership of the leadership team canceled the trip to Jakarta, Chip Bergh, our president, insisted to still come to Jakarta. He told us the reason. How could I cancel my trip to Jakarta while all of you are here in Jakarta working very hard for our company? How could I cancel my trip to visit you and meet you? I'm not scared. That's what he said. He instantly became my idol, a leader I aspired to be. An articulate and charismatic man, a marathon runner, an ex-army officer with strong leadership skills. In Procter & Gamble company, he was simply legendary. There were so many stories about him. What I want to share with you right now is his leadership lessons from his past experiences in the army. So, this is Chip's lessons on leadership. Always eat last. One of the first things he learned as an officer in the army to never eat before all of his soldiers had eaten. An officer always eat last. The principle here is to be a good leader, you need to first take care of your people first. Make sure the basic fundamental needs of your people are met before your own. Leaders are modeled to be the first to wake up in the morning and to be the last who goes to sleep at night. This is servant leadership. Never ask a soldier to do something that you yourself wouldn't do. Real leaders never command or ask anyone in their organization to do something they wouldn't do themselves. In fact, the best leader will never ask someone to do something that they themselves haven't done it before. Leaders lead from the front, not from the rear. In combat, action takes place in the front line. Strong leaders get to the front. They do not command from the rear. Yes, it is safer in the rear. The front line can be a dangerous place when the enemies are shooting at you. The same is true in business. Strong leaders in business go to where the actions are, in the market, with the customer, in the consumer's home. They do not command from the rear. They do not just sit down at the desk in the nice office ivory tower. They get out from the office often. They go out to where the battle is being fought. They listen to the frontline commanders, the sales manager in the market, the product supply managers in the factory. That is how they become great leaders, because they listen. They truly understand what is happening in the front line. Walk with a sense of urgency. Casual pace, casual results. Never walk in a relaxing pace. Always create a sense of urgency. Make deadlines. Follow up your team. Make it happen. You will get better results. Never procrastinate. In everything you do, create a sense of urgency. It is better to make a wrong decision than not making decision at all. Indecision, not making decision, is one of the worst things a leader can do. Strong leaders make decisive decisions. They make a stand. But they also know when to make decision. Never make a decision based on emotion alone. Don't rush. Never make a decision without enough data to make an informed decision. But conversely, never wait for a perfect data. And don't use "I need more data" as an excuse to procrastinate your decision. Leaders will face times when they have to make unpopular and difficult decisions. A strong leader is visible when he or she needs to make a tough decision. When in doubt, attack. An army that isn't moving forward is dead. In combat, just like in sport or in business, momentum is everything. And the only way to create momentum is to keep moving forward by attacking. Never dig in and defend. It is always better to attack. Indeed, attack is the best defense strategy. If your business doesn't have the momentum, ask yourself, what can you do to create momentum? What can you do to create a plan of attack? Because if you are not moving forward in your business will be dead too. Always have a plan B. Having your business plan, your combat plan, is not enough. Good leaders always have at least one backup plan, one fallback plan. Even better, create more than one backup plan because things never go as planned. And the time to create backup plan is not in the heat of battle, not in the middle of execution when the bullets flying all over you. The time to create a backup plan is not during the execution, but during the planning phase of your business plan. The same is true in business. Things never go as planned. Therefore, we need to create backup plans, contingency plan, mitigation plan, what-if scenarios while we are doing our business plan. What do you think about the leadership lessons from Bergh, the current CEO of Levi's jeans? Please write in the comment section below. If you feel that the podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.